In this video, you'll learn how to configure the firewall settings for Clawdbot. By following these steps, you will establish the necessary rules to allow Clawdbot to operate seamlessly on your system. Start by locating the hidden icons on your taskbar. Click on the upward-facing arrow to reveal the hidden icons. This action will display a small menu containing various system icons. Look for the Windows Defender icon, which resembles a shield, and click on it to open the application. Once Windows Defender is open, navigate to the left sidebar and select the option labeled Firewall and Network Protection. This section allows you to manage your firewall settings. After clicking this, you will see an overview of the firewall status for different network profiles. Next, find and click on Advanced Settings. This option is located at the bottom of the window and will direct you to the Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security interface. Here, you can access detailed firewall rules and configurations. After the Advanced Settings window appears, focus on the left sidebar where you will see several options. Click on Inbound Rules. This section lists all current inbound rules that control traffic entering your computer. You may notice a variety of rules already in place. Now, look towards the right side of the window and click on Actions. This will open a drop-down menu with various options related to your inbound rules. From this menu, select New Rule. This action will launch the new inbound rule wizard, guiding you through the process of creating a new rule. Once the new inbound rule wizard appears, you will need to choose the type of rule to create. Click on Port and then select Next. This selection allows you to define rules based on specific ports, which is essential for Clawdbot's operation. In the next step, ensure that TCP is selected as Clawdbot uses this protocol. Click Next again to proceed. You will now need to specify the local ports that the rule will apply to. Choose the option labeled Specific Local Ports and enter the number 18789 in the provided field. After entering the port number, click on Allow the connection. This step is crucial as it permits traffic through the specified port. Click Next to continue after this selection. You will now be prompted to specify when the rule applies. At this point, check the boxes for domain, private, and public. This ensures that the rule is applied across all network types, enhancing the accessibility of Clawdbot. After confirming these options, proceed by clicking Next. On the following screen, you will be asked to name your rule. In the designated field, type OpenClaw Clawdbot. This name will help you identify the rule in the future. Once you have entered the name, click on Finish to complete the process. Your new inbound rule for Clawdbot is now successfully created. You can verify this by returning to the inbound rules list and checking for OpenClaw Clawdbot. This confirmation indicates that the firewall is correctly configured to allow Clawdbot to function without interruption. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.